Right, now, whether you are looking for something to sip in the garden, spice up your Sunday lunch, or temper the hangover, or maybe just a sweet Sunday sundowner, we really want to just eke out every last moment of the weekend, and I know just the man who can help. Every week, our resident mixologist, JJ Goodman, will be throwing together 3 tasty tipples to liven up your Sunday. So it's time to head to the bar. Just gonna get my step counts up over here. Here we go. Hey! JJ Goodman, you have got cocktail bars up and down the country, right?
We've got 34 bars up and down the country at the moment, but I founded London Cocktail Club 15 years ago. Yeah,
that's the one.
That's my baby.
So you're the perfect person for this. Please kick us off. What's on the menu today?
What I wanted to do is kick it off with a watermelon Caipiroska. If I'm in Ibiza, and I know you just got back...
I'm always in Ibiza, mate.
Well, this is my go-to. Like, after breakfast, you've got loads of fresh fruit. Always have loads of fresh fruit in Ibiza. What's left over, chuck it in a blender, vodka, put some tunes back on, give it a blend, and get the party started. So this is my get up and go. I'm simply just blended some watermelon.
Okay.
I've put a little bit of citrus, a little bit of sugar in there. And I bought a very
Look at this!
special bottle of vodka, which is just for you.
I've never seen this in the shops.
Yeah, well, I know you can get it online, but this is the bejazzled Newcastle United FC vodka.
I can't believe it. Can I have this?
It is my gift to you,
Oh my gosh, like my uncles on both sides are all season ticket holders. We used to go to St James's Park growing up. Like, this means the world.
We might need more than one bottle then.
This is so good. I love that. Also, I just think using watermelons, I love watermelons, so refreshing.
So to finish it off, it's a nice big fresh bit of juicy watermelon.
Lovely.
So get yourself a nice big chunky piece, about a centimetre and a half wide. And that, if you push it down, should just fall and break over the edge of the glass perfectly, Ray.
Et voila.
Voila, yeah,
Can I
voila
have a little
indeed.
sip?
This is for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
They're pretty too.
How is it?
It's summer in a glass.
Is it?
Oh.
It's great. I mean, watermelon is just a beautiful ingredient to work with. So really what we've done here is just keep it simple. You can change it to vodka, for rum, for gin, whatever you're into.
Yeah, you
tequila. Yeah.
This is the best day of my life so far. Right, what have we got next?
Right, we're going to be running into a drink for Aitch. So we're going to be doing the Jar Daiquiri. So strawberry daiquiri is your favourite cocktail?
100%.
It's also one of my favourites.
I don't know how I feel saying that. Sometimes I get embarrassed saying that, but I'm glad you're here with me.
Yeah, well, between us, no one's going to mess.
Yeah.
No shame. Never be shamed
No.
by your cocktail choice. Never.
Right, so the hack on this one's a really, really interesting one. To make a strawberry daiquiri, you're going to have to start blending a load of strawberries. You don't want to do that. So the hack and the cheat is get yourself some jam. Apricot, raspberry, any jam's good. So, your first show, we want to see how you shake a cocktail.
You know what? I actually did work in a cocktail bar for quite a while.
you?
Yeah, a place called Floritas in Newcastle.
Yeah?
I was a hostess. I used to have to carry the tray like this.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah?
And go through the bar.
Those are the only 3 I've made, just so you know.
It's been a while.
OK, so I've put the base of the ingredients in. We've lengthened it with a little bit of cranberry juice as well, so if you do want it longer and lighter, add a little bit more cranberry. You're going to add just a teaspoon of jam.
OK.
But you're going to want, like, a decent amount. So I've got a bar spoon here, so I'd say 2 of those. But straight in the top for me there. Yeah, perfect. Again, these recipes, if you want a little bit more sweetness from it, add a little bit more jam. It's going to vary. Different jams, different products vary. We're going to add some ice into this. You're going to want a decent amount of ice. Because when we shake, we're going to aerate. We need the ice to help us break down the liquid, cut through the jam, so it's nice and even and silky. So shaker on top. And I'm not going to prep you, just go in.
Just give it a good... I'm really enjoying this. Wait for it. Is that enough yet?
2 more minutes?
OK. 2 more minutes.
No. Sorry. I've got these wicked jam jars, but any jam jar will do. Give it a little split, pour into there.
Oh, what beautiful colour.
Isn't it just? A couple of lumps of jam falling out.
Lovely.
That fresh whole fruit. So that's it. So to garnish this, we use Haribo strawberries. Add a bit more ice. Little strawberry jelly in there. And finish it off with a big sprig of mint. Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll take these over to you guys to fry.
Wow.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Taste that one, tell me what you think.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's nice, huh?
Yeah.
Fresh, little bit of citrus. Yeah?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah?
That's the one.
Have we got, what,
Yeah.
everyone enjoying this so far?
Yeah.
The watermelon's
Really good.
so refreshing.
It's really
Good that, you know. Cheers.
So last but not least,
Obviously.
the skinny colada.
Okay.
So nice and simple, everyone loves a pina colada. Nobody particularly wants to kick off with 1,000 calories, so we need to find somewhere in the middle where we still get the flavours that we love, but we have them in a way which we can enjoy it guilt-free.
Great.
So a guilty pleasure without the guilt. So this is a non-alcoholic version. I've got this amazing product from the guys at Liars. They do a non-alcoholic rum. The skinny element, we've used a coconut water. I have used just a little bit of a coconut sugar from Coco Lopez because I absolutely love it, but only 10 mil. So just a little bit of naughtiness, just because we have to enjoy this drink. Lengthen it with some pineapple juice as well. It's vegan, non-alcoholic, but I don't think you'd know. Like, I think it has that nice balance.
It's really good.
Yeah?
Love it.
Oh, you wouldn't know.
It's so refreshing.
It's so refreshing. It tastes like summer. This is beautiful. Every single one is so delicious. Thank you so much. And if you want to try any of these at home, all the details of where to find the recipes are below. So thank you. I can't wait to see what you've got in store for me next week, Father's Day as well.
Father's Day, we've got some great stuff coming up. We've got a little bit of a whiskey drink, a little bit of a gin drink.
I am partial to a little whiskey. I cannot wait. But that is it for today. I have absolutely loved this. It's been so much fun. So thank you for joining me. I hope you have too. And if you've missed any of the show, you can catch up on the ITV Hub. Thank you so much to my guest, Kate Nash. Aitch. Jojo Moyes. And of course, the amazing JJ Goodman. We'll be back here next Sunday with more boots, more brilliant chat, and of course, more delicious drinks. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and I'll see you next week. Cheers!